Alright, quarterfinals pa rin. Malalaman natin kung sino papasok sa semis. Well, let's go and introduce these two teams, starting off with Sista Super Sealers. From Rizal at number 23, Kenneth Boko. From Caloocan at number 31, JJ Manlangin. From Balanga Bataan at number 39, Jamil Gabon. From Cavite at number 55, Jen Hamon. Coach of Sista Super Sealers, Coach Juben Paul Masil. The other team, Meralco Bulls. From Quezon City at number 1, JJ Espanola. From Tarlac City at number 6, Raji Moreno. From Cebu at number 7, Alfred Bambino. From Guagua, Pampanga at number 9, Dexter Miguez. Coach of the Meralco Bulls, Coach Patrick Crash. Referees, Charlie Alvarado, Maki Gilingin. Sino ang makakalaban ng Pure Boots sa semifinals between these two teams?
The Sista Super Sealers is without Rocky Octobre today, pero kahit na malaking kawalan, sabi ni Jan Hamon that everyone has stepped up as they should. After all, ito rin naman ang kanilang lineup noong nag-second place sila. Kung paano nila dinepensahan ng kupo ng Meralco noong natalo nila ito, that is what they're going to do again. Specifically, the adjustments sa depensa sa pick and roll nila, gentlemen.
Thank you very much, Isa Chong, working the sidelines. As we head on to our last quarterfinals match, Jan Hamon trying his range immediately. The first possession.
Why not? It's one of the best.
JJ, kumakat doon, dinabigyan ni Alfred. But he gets a rebound. Inside to Dexter, and Meralco is on the board.
Inside positioning for Dexter Marquez with offensive rebound by JJ Espanola.
Hook pass. And the other JJ.
Got to close out long against someone who beat them in the last leg. Mental lapse on the part of Espanola, not yet cleared. And that secured possession.
Had a good intention there. Latino sits down, Morido is in. Kenneth. Sa ilalim. JJ scores. Ano muna? Meron muna ang mawawarningan ba ito? One all. That's right. Mukhang nawarningan nga. Sista. In any case, Manlangit has it. Shot clock at 7. Malayo-layo pa. Takes it. Doesn't make it. And Morido, offensive foul.
Had the right idea. Will be called for a charge. As Jan Hamon held ground. Taking one for the team.
At masakit yung one for the team na yon.
That's part of it.
Nagtagpo ang kaliwang siko at ang baba ni Jan Hamon. Meet by left elbow.
TMI. Too much information.
Ayan, sorry. Morido gets it to Batino. Espanola, ini-estima yan. Na-recognize yung advantage ni Alfred. Sista naman ang poposter dito. Oh, look at JJ Espanola trying to stop JJ Manlangit, but the other JJ, the heftier one, won it.
Unnecessary cross matches. Patino did not have to close out on Mocon because Espanola was right beside him. Instead, Manlangit will end up with Espanola, and Sista will try to go for 3 straight points and build a 2-point lead.
Takot ako pag flex ni Manlangit eh. Lahat ng master.
Tinalo na sila niyan.
Kaya no, mayroong ano to, no? Special game talaga ito. Dex, lost the dribble.
Lost possession para dito sa Blue Shirts.
8:16 remaining.
Missing the services of their 2 leading scorers, Joseph Sedurifa and
Oo
Tonino
nga eh.
Gonzaga.
I checked the list na sa reserve siya ngayon, ano?
Alfred Patino and Tonino Gonzaga, part of the 16-man national pool.
Malaking bagay yun eh, yung dalawang pangalan na binanggit mo, coach.
Pag sinumutotal mo, halos 600 points yun eh.
Yung dalawa, no? Sedurifa and Tonino. Nice pass to Batino. Nabangga na pero balansyado pa rin pagkakabato.
Good setup.
Jen for 2.
And again, cross match. Marquez instead of closing out, Marquez instead of closing out to Manlangit, goes to Hamon. Yung mga ganong bagay, napakalaking bagay nun.
Yun yung cross match na binabanggit mo, no?
Na hindi kailangan.
Oo. Espanola, ang ganda ng forma. Sayang, it's a good line.
And again, he ends up with Manlangit.
And JJ will take advantage of this situation. Ayun na nga, he'll go to the line. So, coach, how do you prevent yung mga cross
Huwag
matches?
mo lang kunin yung hindi sa'yo.
Run to your assignment,
Yes.
di ba?
Kasi ilalabas naman nila yung bola eh. Pero kung takbo ng takbo, yung hindi naman tao nun, doon, paano ka pang magre-recover?
But it takes all 3 people to look at each other and say, nasan yung
You
sa'yo,
just
nasan
have
yung
to
akin?
communicate.
Diba?
Or else, magkakaproblema ka talaga.
5-2 in favor of the white shirts. Espanola. It's his turn to go to the line. .7:34 remaining dito po sa ating huling quarterfinals match.
Kasi 3 beses nang nangyari yun.
Na nagka-cash in itong Sista, di ba?
Oh my
And look at that. Ganda noong ginawa doon ni Ken Mocon and Meralco is dodging a bullet. Espanola again, shot knocked down to 2. He takes it, doesn't make it. 9.5 on the shot clock. It will remain with Sista.
Meralco only with 2 points. Sista with 5. Sista's played 2 matches already.
Ito na si Mocon. Stepping on the brakes. Begging for a foul, for a whistle. Now Dexter, inside track, but missing it.
Open is Manlangit.
JJ for 2.
This time nobody closing out.
And Sista missing 2 open looks from Rainbow Land. Oh, and that will be a foul against Marquez.
Possession count. Meralco has 6. Sista has 8. Turnover count. Meralco has 5.
Ganun na, ganun yung possession count. Ako, every time, since you mentioned that kanina, coach, inaabangan ko na yun. And then I look at the score eh. So, sino yung mas maraming opportunities talaga. It's gonna go to Meralco. .6:32 remaining. Pagkatapos po ng larong ito, 4 na lang sila. Winner in this match will face Jed Mendoza and the rest of the Pure Foods TJ Titans.
Right, but the first step is to get past the quarterfinals.
Ito muna. Espanola inside to Batino. Ganda. Good execution.
Finally, they get that ball inside and deep.
Mocon goes in using the left hand.
It's too easy, and that goes to his strong side.
6-4 in favor of Sista. Batin ulit. Mamimiesta yan dyan.
And you have a feeling this is the only chance of Meralco on their inside game.
Jan missing a tough shot there. Let's see if Meralco will go in again. Pinapaposte dito si Alfred. Alfred will spin at naagawan ni Kenneth. Mocon goes in. Uy! Changing direction pero wala. Dex missing it.
Out of control. Losing another scoring opportunity.
Look at that. Mocon just finding an open teammate in Jamil. They gotta see that again. Looking away.
Marquez losing his coverage. No need to help. Espanola was right there.
Presence of mind ni no, Ken, nakita niyang umover si si Dexter sa vision niya.
Na hindi kailangan.
Oo. And Jamil was wise enough to step on the brakes naman para magkaroon ng opportunity. So, 7-5. So, Meralco, let's talk about them. Third conference summary, Coach Ronnie.
Different roster, different results. I believe I was healthy. And it was Dexter Marquez who knocked in the winning basket. That is a 100,000 peso conversion. A 2-point shot that turned into 100,000 for Meralco. But right now, they are behind by 2 points laban sa Sista.
May Max Abilina pa pala nun, when they got that. So may technical foul dahil second infraction yata ng delay of game, I think.
May pressure
Meron ba?
sa ball clear. Isang delay dito kanina.
Tapos sa ilalim din yata, so second na yon. And JJ hits. That's Espanola. JJ Espanola hitting the bonus free throw. 7-6, 5:20 remaining. Sista up by 1. Alfred. 4 to shoot against Jamil. Wala. But look at Alfred just diving for that basketball.
Another lost opportunity. Meralco right now, 4 out of 10 inside. Only 40%. Sista doing better at 4 out of 7. Sista, 1 of 8 from the 2. Meralco 0 out of 1. Sista 15 possessions. Meralco with 11.
Nice fake by Jan. He goes up, it's in.
That's too easy.
The bump by Morido. Then the basket.
They needed that. He has to contribute some more.
Sista hanging on to a very slim 1-point lead. We are under 5 minutes in this match. Jan saves it. Pero hindi nagwagi. Check this out again. Faking up and good.
TV timeout ang sinasabi ng mga players, and kung wala pang TV timeout, they should be correct.
So we'll check.
Because Meralco called a timeout before the 5-minute mark.
That's right. So we go to a TV timeout with 4:39 remaining. 8-7. Sista up by a point. Give you guys time to catch your breath, get your snacks. And while doing so, Coach, if you were to summarize first conference to the third conference, kamusta? Pero ito muna tayo. 3 upuan puno na. Sana lang, babiyahe na.
Not enough for 5 teams. Only 4 teams will make it to the semis.
At napapasayaw ng kaunti ang aking partner dito.
Kasi kanina pa tayo nakaupo. Ikaw nga, bilib ako, hindi ka tumatayo.
8-7. Si Jobel, napangiti na lang dito. Kay Coach Ronnie. Kasi era namin yung
Yun, hindi mo inabot yan, bata ka pa.
JJ Española down to Alfred. Meralco down by a point. They can take the lead with this one. Short. 4:26 remaining. Kapit po kayo. Huwag po kayong bibitaw. Mananalo dito, makakaharap ang Pure Foods. Mocon. Tight pass.
They got lucky there. Beaten na ni Mocon si Morido.
Now turnover for the white shirts. Nope. Oh yes, it is. Dex nasundutan. Back to Dex. Dex takes it. Wala. And it'll go back to Sista.
Michael seems to be in a rush.
No, okay.
Michael so far, 1 point. But with 2 turnovers, 1 of 3.
Parang nagigigil siya sa mismatches, coach, ano, kung nakakita siya. That was far. Offline for Jan.
Pwede kang manggigil kung nasa ilalim ka kasi alam mo, kalaro, hindi siya makalapit eh. Either he loses the basketball or palayo yung tira niya.
Pero pag malayo, tama, ano? Dapat konting pasyensya. He goes for the 2. Kapek, it goes to Dexter. Batino. Hinahanap ang options. Decides to go inside. And that will be a foul against Jamil.
Mahirap sumot sa Grand Finals, ano?
Parang lumihit yung ring. Low scoring game here. 8-7 in favor of the men in white.
Too close to the line.
Nice feed to Dex at the corner. Short on the 2. Española hits it.
All it took was a tip coming from Marquez. Was that Marquez or Batino?
Alamin natin yun. Yung kanina sa 2, that was Dex. Missing the
Pero
corner.
pumasok siya eh. Ayan, papasok siya plus Batino.
And then a tough shot coming from Española. 8-all. Bonus free throw for JJ.
Espanola with 6 points so far. Make that 7.
That bonus free throw is good. Mocon. Nothing on the 2. Shot clock continues. JJ failing that fall away as well. Alfred against Ken. And it's going to be an offensive foul.
All he needed to do was move that basketball to an open teammate. But he opted to go one-on-one again at the top part of the paint. Nahirap lusutan niya maliit pag ganyang kalayo ka. And Mocon so far has defended Batino well sa mga cross matches.
Mocon goes up for the shot. It's good. Tap na tayo.
Costly turnover para sa Meralco.
Na kay Morido. Naatake. He gives the lead back to Meralco.
Dalawang 1-point conversions para kay Morido.
5 to shoot. Ken throwing it. Tumama pa ng ring yun, but it'll go Meralco's way.
And that's good defense on the part of the blue shirts.
2:35.
Iba yan. Iba yan.
Kailangan mag-stretch din tayo.
Pang BNL yan.
Inside the Dex. Oh, too strong of a pass. Both teams with 5 team fouls. Jan Hamon will inbound. Ito na, nakakuha ng screen kay Jamil. He'll take the 2. Wala. Ball signing on to a 1-point lead. Inside to JJ and they're up by 2.
Good slip. Coming from Española.
JJ, oh, iniiwas pa yun and it's good. Also good. Morido for 2.
He went for it. And again, a cross match.
Jamil. Hindi napagsamantalahan yung mismatch na yun. JJ for the lead. Wala.
Possession was Batino.
Chance for the lead and they're up. 12-11.
Extra possession given up by Batino. He was not in the right position.
Can Alfred tie it with his power play? Wala. A minute and a half remaining. Chan again. Bang! It's good. Oh, color between Jan and Alfred here. Alfred underneath. It's good.
Finally, Batino will score for Meralco, who's still down by 2.
JJ with a layup, 15-12.
We'll close out on the part of Batino again.
Alfred ulit. Mama. Good swipe coming from Jamil. Here comes Manangit. Manangit for the 2. Benga!
It's not looking good right now for the blue shirts.
Step back ni Morido. And look at that, JJ tapping it, saving it, but he will run out of space. What a sequence, Coach Ronnie.
Good sequence para sa Sista. Unfortunately for Meralco in the last minute, everything has been downhill for them. Look at Alfred Batino, head bowed.
Yung Sista would capitalize on the miscues
Sila laro lang
immediately.
sila eh.
Oo.
Meralco, total of 9 turnovers. Sista with 2. Possession count, Meralco 25, Sista with 29. Batino is 4 out of 8. Maiquez is 1 out of 6. It has only been Española who's been producing, but the question is, will it be enough?
Yeah. 17-12, 40 seconds. Bola ng Meralco, crucial possession here. They hit the 2. That opportunity becomes bigger. JJ has it. He'll go for the 2. Won't make it. Rebound. Hinabol niya ni Jamil.
Sista really looking good at this stage of this match.
And Jamil will waste seconds here.
Right.
Ken will throw it. Almost making it. JJ for the 2. Not there. Look at Jan tapping it to himself. 6 seconds to go. Jan goes in and it's good. Oops. JJ, nothing there. And the final score is 18-12. Sista Super Sealers will go to the semis.
And they will repeat over Meralco for the second straight grand finals. Big win para dito sa Sista, the only team from the pool phase to make it
Yes.
to the semis.
Sila nga lang, ano? Now our best player, sweet shooting, Jan Hamon.
Why not 7 points? Biggest scoring game. And Sista will milk the cross matches that Meralco gave them. And eventually that would raise a 2-point deficit. And they had, I believe, an 8-0 run to close out this match with a comfortable 6-point win and a